we are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the base verb to find. The past tense or past simple is pronounced as found, found, as in, yesterday I found a beautiful house, found. The past participle is also pronounced as found, found overall, to find, found, found, find, found, found. Here is a video for you to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs. Stay tuned to the channel to continue learning and practicing. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.